Good day mga ka-all pet matters. Today ay mag-update tayo ng ating mga puppies. Ang ating poodle puppies ay 13-day old at ang ating Bichon puppies ay 11-day old. Pareho silang hypoallergenic. Sila ay very ideal for people with asthma at napakatalino nila, very cheerful and very loyal and loving. Ayan, naglalakad na sila parehas, very active. Ang ating toy poodle ay close pa rin ang mata nila. Okay, close pa rin ang mata. Very cute. Ito naman ang ating toy poodle. Siyempre hindi magpapahuli, very cute din. Ang isa. Napakalilikot na nila and very healthy. Subscribe to my channel All Pet Matters sa YouTube channel for more updates of these very beautiful puppies. Watch for my next videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye.